Okay, let's look at this question here. Andy had 144 marbles and Malcolm had 76 marbles. During a game, Andy lost some marbles to Malcolm. In the end, Malcolm had 4 times as many marbles as Andy. So the question is to find out how many marbles did Andy lose. So when we look at this kind of question here, when Andy lost some marbles to Malcolm, the total number for this case here did not change. That's why this kind of question, we identify it as constant total kind of questions. So for this, at the start, we need to find the total first, which is actually 144 add to 76, and the answer will be 220. After you know this total will not change, then you look at the question again. They say Andy lost some marbles to Malcolm, and in the end, what happens? We are going to start drawing the model for the end part here. Malcolm actually has 4 times as many marbles as Andy. So you are comparing Malcolm with Andy. So I'm going to denote M for Malcolm, A for Andy. And I'm going to start drawing 4 times for Malcolm. And you are comparing with Andy. So Andy will take the place of 1 unit here. And we know the total did not change. So we can write this total to be 220. When we start counting here, we see that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 units. So total 5 units represented by 220 marbles. After that, we try to find the 1 unit first, which is 220 divided by 5, and we get answer 44. Now we look at the question is, how many marbles did Andy lose? So we need to find at the end, Andy has how many marbles first? So Andy and is only 1 unit, so it's actually 44 marbles. And at the start, Andy got 144 marbles. So we write it as A start 144. So now we want to find out how much Andy lost will be the difference between the two. So we take 144, subtract away 44, and the answer will be 100. Hence, the final answer will be 100 marbles.